have you been looking for a speaker system where you can have several speakers located throughout different areas of your house, and you can play music from your phone just by tapping play, and it will sound on all of these speakers? Well, that's exactly the speakers that I found and that I'm going to be reviewing for you in this video. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe if you like this type of content. And if you get some value out of this video, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Alright, let's get right to it. So I've always wanted a speaker system where I can have different speakers installed throughout the backyard of my house so that I can have a better surround sound quality playing out evenly throughout the entire backyard. And I wasn't able to find speakers. I don't know, maybe it's that I didn't look hard enough. But just recently, I got interested in solving this problem again. I wanted to be able to play music. And this is actually for the backyard of an Airbnb that I have. And I wanted a speaker system where the guests will be able to just connect to it via Bluetooth wirelessly and play a track. And it will play on all of these speakers simultaneously. So I found these speakers, and these are the ones meant for the job. And these are the INWA wireless networking speakers. So first thing I want to mention is I did get this from Amazon. So it's on Prime. I think I got it like in a day or two. So it's super awesome that I can get it quickly. Another thing I want to mention is that they're not highly priced. They're actually at a very good price. It comes a set of 2 speakers with the controller for a price of $129.99. And that's just the price of the moment of me making this video. I don't know if the price is going to fluctuate in the future. It probably will. But that is the price at the moment. So take advantage. Another thing I want to mention is that this is not like a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I actually bought these speakers for myself to use, and I really like them. So I decided to make a video on them. And yes, there are going to be affiliate links down below in the description, which I do get a minor kickback if you do end up purchasing them as well. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is with these speakers, you can connect up to 100 different speakers. So the set that I bought only brings 2. However, in the future, I might add 2 or 4 more. But it states you can add up to 100. I mean, I don't know why you would need 100. Maybe if you have like a huge mansion, or maybe you're using it for a commercial location, you may need that amount of speakers. But for the most part, I think a couple of these will do just fine. I just got 2 of them. I already tested them out, and they sound extremely great. And I'm super satisfied with the purchase. So these speakers are waterproof. They're meant for exterior use. However, you can use them indoor as well. They look very nice. They come with this handle here, and this is what you're actually going to use to screw them onto the wall or the ceiling where you want to install them at. They are IPX5 rated, so they're waterproof and dust resistant. Okay, so these speakers are actually 40 watts each of them. So with 2 of them, a total of 80 watts. And at the end of the video, I will do a sound test so you guys can determine for yourself if you like the sound quality or not. So yeah, the speakers are super easy to sync. What you do is you connect via Bluetooth to one of the speakers, and then the other speakers will automatically connect to the main speaker that you are connected to. So if you have multiple speakers, they will all connect to the main one that you are connected to your device. Each of the speakers come with a power outlet, so you'll have to individually connect each one to a power outlet. And along with the speakers, I did buy these like wall cable covers, so that when I install these on the patio, people aren't going to see the cables hanging off the walls. I bought this white nice cover to make it look more professional and appealing. And, I'll also have those linked down below as well in case you want to order those. All right, so now let's jump right over to the sound test. All right, so as you can see, I got both speakers connected. I got one right here and one right there. So 2 speakers for now for the backyard. I also installed the white cable hider, as you can see here, to make it look nice and professional on both of them. And then over here on this side, it goes around the roof there and then down here to the connector. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the sound quality of the speakers. So first thing you got to do is with the controller, go ahead and turn it on. Okay, you're going to hear a little noise, and the main speaker is going to blink blue. All the other speakers that are connected to the main speaker should have a red light. Okay, so once it's on, it should come up here on your phone, it's going to show up as sync speaker. As you can see, I already have it here because I've added it. So sync speaker, go ahead and connect to it. As you can see, it is now connected. And you're going to hear some sound coming out of the speaker to confirm the connection. All right, let's go ahead and play some music. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the volume is all the way up on the speakers itself. So with the controller, go ahead and hold the volume up. Okay, once you hear a beeping sound, it is all the way up. And then now we can go ahead and control the sound from your phone or device right here. Alright, so as you can see, the volume here on my phone is about halfway. And it's already sounding pretty loud. Alright, so let's go ahead and raise the volume all the way up. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. You may have to turn on the other speakers as well. So for example, this one right here did not turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the power button. There you go, now it's turning on. And it's gonna automatically blink red and connect to the main speaker. There you go, now we got sound. To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And we'll go. All right, guys, there you have it. The best wireless networking speakers, in my opinion, for the price. All right, everyone, so that is why, in my opinion, these are the best wireless networking speakers, in my opinion. Let me know what you think about these in the comments down below. I'd love to hear it, and that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.